Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the November 2018 Cairn box. I feel like sometimes I feel myself saying Karen, which isn't right. It's Cairn, as far as I understand pronunciation. So if you ever hear me going back and forth, just know I mean the best. Sometimes I'm just kind of misspeaking. Anyways, gonna open this one up. It's a November box. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I don't know what it is. Obviously, they didn't hit me up this month and ask what was going on or if I needed to, select some color or whatnot. So, I don't know. I'm feeling like it's some kind of a clothing item if I was going off of the kind of season and things happening. But it's got some weight, so I don't know. I'm gonna lean towards some kind of a clothing or cover item, but we'll have to see how I do. All right. So open it up, November 2018 Cairn box. And we'll see what we got to offer here. So pop that one open. All right, step one, explore in here. Almost done. Step two, explore out there. Well, we can get to that. And get this all set up here. All right, so pop this open. And I was pretty darn wrong, just the first glance, but as per usual, we'll pull the Cairn Scout out, give you a brief look over there if you want to pause it up, take a look, see what it says. As per usual, if you want to hit me up, you can have this one for free. All right, moving along. Okay, so first things first, obviously not a sweater or a scarf, but something that could keep you warm, I suppose. Let's see here, is the Echo Vessel by the Aspen. So Trimax insulated. Water to wine. Oh, so it changes water to wine. You know what? That'd be great. I could use what it... Okay, obviously not. They're just saying that you could do either. So you could put your water or your wine in there. It's 80 hours cold or 16 hours hot is what it claims there. It doesn't really say what those mean, but it's got a stainless steel outer and an inner, a vacuum center, and it has a copper inner lining to it. Ice cube and cup holder directly friendly, so got a bit of a wide mouth there, that kind of works. And then if you ever had, like a Nalgene bottle, they do not fit in a cup holder, so that works. And it's got a little screw tight top there, so I'll test it out. If it does turn water to wine, folks, I absolutely let you know. We'll put this up there. All right, so what else do we got here? So this is a superfood creamer. This is by Laird, and checking by the little surfer or the paddle boarder. I think it's the professional and pro surfer Laird. I cannot remember his last name to save my life right now. But it looks like it's part of his deal. Oh yeah, okay, I'm sorry. There he is, even on the front there, kind of getting it done. So it's a creamer, which is pretty cool. Add the contents to your hot coffee, smoothie, or tea. Mix thoroughly. It's got coconut milk powder, organic coconut sugar, and a few other things. It does contain nuts, so if you're allergic, I will hold up the nutrition info there so you can take a look. But it does say that it's got 90 calories, 7 grams of fat, and a gram of protein. And the serving is in one container. I'm not seeing any kind of a flavor, so I guess it's just creamer. So if you're a coffee fan, which I am now, and why would it not make sense to have some Alpine Start premium instant coffee? There we go. So pour one packet into cup, add hot or cold water, stir and enjoy. Pretty easy deal. So let's pop those open real quick just to see what we're working with. All right, and there looks to be about 8 or 10 of them, just instant coffees, powdered. All right, lightweight, easy peasy, great. Next thing, we'll put the knife away because safety reasons. This is Picky Oats Performance Oatmeal. I'm seeing gluten-free, organic, and 10 grams of protein. Hey, that's a heck of a deal. I don't know what the serving size is on this. So one container is a full serving, and it looks like, we'll hold up the nutrition info there, but it's got 325 calories, 11 grams of fat, and 10 grams of protein. So that's a healthy little trail snack right there. You got a little oatmeal, a little coffee, a little creamer, and a beverage. So some trail snacks. That all sounds good. Looking forward to getting out and using those. All right, folks, this is Dub signing off. This is the November 2018 box, and we will catch you on the next one.